Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating basics so debugging is meaningful. Check your Android version and Google Play services. Mismatches break ad delivery. Then confirm the app and add SDK versions. Old SDKs often fail. Once done, enable developer options and prepare to capture logs with a DB Logcat so you see ad requests and errors in real time. Make sure network access and device date/time are correct, because SSL or token issues often stem from those settings. You now dig into the request response flow to find where it fails. Proxy or packet capture shows whether ad requests reach the network and what responses return, so correlate error codes with callbacks in your app. Then verify ad unit ID, add your test device ID, and run the GDPR or consent flow to ensure no blocks. Once you confirm mediation adapters are initialized and listener callbacks fire, you can isolate whether the problem is SDK, network, or server-side. You finish by applying targeted fixes and validating them. Update or patch ad SDKs, switch to test ads, clear app cache, and rebuild to confirm resolution. Implement retries with exponential backoff and a lightweight local fallback creative so users don't see empty space. Once validated, run a staging release and monitor metrics. If issues persist, collect full logs, reproduce on both emulator and physical devices, and share concise logs with the ad network support team for the next step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.